Today I want to show you how we can take advantage of swing trading and scalp in 5 minutes time frame. And how are we going to benefit from this? I'm going to show you right in this video, and I repeat, I'm going to show you how we can take advantage of swing trading, okay, and scalp. Remember, in swing trading we use higher time frames, and scalping we do this on lower time frames. So personally, I'll be working on 5 minutes time frame when it comes to scalping, and as well I'm going to show you on higher time frames what we are going to benefit and come back in lower time frame and take advantage of this, and also to day trade. So guys, I hope now you have an idea what I'm going to do in this video. This is a whole new thing I'm introducing my channel, simply because all I want is to see you guys profitable, making money from the industry. Hard work really pays. Never quit in this industry. The only thing you need is adding more knowledge each and every day, and adding more knowledge is having alternatives. And alternatives are like, when the market behaves this way, I know how to approach the market. When the market behaves this way, I know how to approach the market. That's what I really do say, adding more knowledge and having alternatives in forex trading. Okay, anyway guys, I welcome you to Money Closer Forex Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you're hearing this voice, I welcome you, and I urge you to really join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe, and honestly I know, this is where you belong. So if you're already part of this family, as you know, I salute you. So guys, back to our drawing book and ask yourself, how and why is she saying that you're going to take advantage of swing trading and scalp? Some of you might think that I'm joking. No, I'm not joking. I'm very serious when it comes to forex trading. If there is something that I don't joke with, is forex trading. So guys, I'm going to show you this indicator right here. It's called the swing high low support and resistance zones, and definitely we're going to use these on higher time frames. So once I insert the indicator, I'm going to show you how we're going to lower time frames and execute trades. You see how you can easily create your trading strategy. Very easy. Okay, so guys, you're going to daily time frames. Make sure you change your time frame to daily time frame if you are not in daily time frame. Once you do like that, definitely you're going to make your candlestick visible, simply because you need to see what is happening in the market. And here is my daily chart right here. Okay, and you can see indeed the market is rising to the upside. Okay, so this indicator, the reason why I love it, it is not repainting, and as well it's working on real time. That's why I'm introducing this to you. You know, an indicator that has a problem, I do tell you a problem, but this indicator is working on real time. I've seen this not once, not twice, not thrice. I've seen this. So guys, the only thing you need is a Tradingview account. Once you have your Tradingview account, you're going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're going to type swing high low support and resistance by patterns math. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears right on your chart. So to swing us, it's a very great opportunity right here, and you can see guys, we have lines in red color and we have lines in blue color. When you see lines in blue color, you should look for your buying opportunity. When you see lines in red color, you can look for your selling opportunity. And you can see indeed guys, the market is really respecting the zones, but there is a probability of the price being broken above. So when price breaks above, you know, your red line over here, having the knowledge, you definitely know there is a probability of market proceeding to the upside, either after a retest or rather the price will continue rising depending on the momentum. So guys, this is all about swingers. Swingers, you really know how to execute trade, simply because you can see this is daily time frame, and when price came to this level over here and it dropped up to this zone over here, let me tell you, these are over thousands and thousands of pips right here, simply because you can see this is daily time frame. Okay, so guys, when price got to this level over here, the market really rose. So you have to really pay attention to what you're really doing, but you have to know these are the zones you should look the market from, and looking for a confirmation as well. So guys, I told you how we're going to take advantage of the swing trading and make our own scalping strategy. So guys, what I really want you to keep in mind is that whenever you see these zones over here on higher time frames, you should know these are very strong support and resistance zones. When you see this on daily time frames, 4 hours, monthly, weekly, you should know these are very strong and very strong support and resistance zones. And when we go on lower time frames, you should keep in mind that these are very strong support and resistance, and so you should be looking at this level and confirming your trades on 5 minutes time frame. I want to show you what happened today, and indeed the market was really following its way. So guys, let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see how we can make our own scalping strategy. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame. So guys, I want you to keep in mind that these zones over here, they are your strong support and resistance zone, and you can see indeed when price comes to this level over here, it drops. So I was watching the market around this zone over here, and it plotted out this resistance zone over here with the red color right here, and let me tell you, the market really pushed to the downs. So what are you supposed to do for you to execute trades? The only thing you need is paying attention to this level over here, because they are very, very important. As you can see right here, when price got to this zone over here, it was reacting to the zone, but unfortunately it rose, rejected, target this zone over here. If it breaks this zone over here, you can expect this zone over here. So guys, I want you to keep in mind, these are your very, very strong zones that you should pay attention to. And remember, there can be breakouts. So for instance right here, you can see we had support zone over here and resistance zones, and the market was really reacting to this zone. When it sells, it was being rejected. When it gets to support zone also, it was being rejected, and so the price pushed upward. And when it got to this level over here, you got your confirmation right here, and the market really proceeded to the downside. It's actually broke below and it came to this level over here. Okay, so for you to really get confirmation, you must make sure you are at your zones over here, simply because they are strong. Remember, you're taking advantage of swing trading, and you can see right here, even the indicator is called swing high, low, support and resistance. Okay, so we are taking advantage to scalp. So there is a probability when price comes to this level, there is a probability of it reacting to the levels. Okay, so what are you really supposed to do? When price breaks any structure, execute your order. When you get into this level, exit your trades. Okay, when it gets to this level, you can wait to see confirmation. When price crosses, like for instance right here, execute your buy order and target this zone to be your take profits. If it breaks this zone over here, target this zone over here. If it breaks, then target this zone over here. And that's how you can really use this swing trading to take advantage and scalp your few pips, and most of the times follow the trend, because you can see on daily time frame the market is really buying. So you're taking advantage of these pullbacks. Okay, but there is a probability of the market buying, simply because on daily time frame we have very big momentum candlestick, and there is a probability of the market rising. But you have to be very, very cautious, because it shows you this is a very sensitive zone and there is a probability of the market rising. This is a very strong zone and there is a probability of the market dropping. And as you can see right here also, the market really pushed to the upside. Okay, so guys, the only thing you need is confirmation. Like here we had this shooting star right here and the market really dropped. So what you're supposed to do also is seeing where the candlestick is closing it. So let's say you are at this level over here, wait and see the candlestick closing below your zones over here. You must wait for candlestick to close. So when price closed below, you can see the market is really pushing to the downside. So this candlestick over here, you can see is trying to rise. It must close above this level over here. When it closes above, there is a probability of the market rising. So guys, that's how you can use this indicator to create your own scalping strategy, taking advantage of swing levels and use them to scalp on lower time frames. Okay, so guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well if you haven't, and as well turn on your notification bell, simply because you need this kind of content in your trading career so that you can end up being profitable, rather broadening your knowledge forex wise. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. What do I say, guys? Bye. See you in my next video.